What's up sa inyo mga kuis, no? Welcome back sa aking channel and welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels Spotlight, kung saan magbibigay tayo ng short review sa mga Hot Wheels collections natin. And for today's feature, isa sa pinaka-iconic na JDM cars sa Fast and Furious franchise, the legendary Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 34. Siya mga kuis. So tara, i-check na natin to. Alright, unang tingin pa lang, solid na agad yung presentation nitong release na to mga kuis, no? This is from the Fast and Furious series, specifically from Too Fast, Too Furious. So makikita natin dito yung clean silver finish ng Skyline together with the iconic blue side graphics. Ayan mga kuis, na sobrang recognizable talaga sa car ni Brian O'Connor. Yung panalo rin yung card art, no? Dahil halos exact replica siya ng movie car. Aggressive front bumper, signature R34 body lines, at syempre yung legendary stunts niya mga kuis. Ayan. Now let's talk about the diecast itself mga kuis, no? So this Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 34 comes in a metallic silver paint paired with blue racing graphics sa gilid. Ayan. Very clean execution by Hot Wheels mga kuis. Ayan, makikita nyo, silver rims with black tires ang ginamit dito, which perfectly matches the overall Fast and Furious look ng R34. And ayan, okay din yung front headlights. Yung rear, solid na wing. And exhaust mga kuis, ayan. And signature GTR styling. Ayan, no? Kahit simple lang yung detailing, sobrang lakas ng presence nitong casting na to, especially for JDM collectors and Fast and Furious fans. And honestly mga kuis, the R34 is one of those cars na kahit ilang beses i-release ni Hot Wheels mga kuis, automatic hype pa rin yan. So bigyan na natin siya ng final rating mga kuis, no? For me, this Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 34 earns a perfect 10 out of 10 mga kuis. So this casting represents one of the most iconic JDM cars ever featured in the Fast and Furious franchise. So the silver paint, blue side graphics, clean wheel choice, and overall collector appeal makes it an easy standout in any collection mga kuis. So whether you're a Skyline fan, a Fast and Furious collector, or simply a JDM enthusiast, this is definitely a casting worth adding to your collections mga kuis. So before natin to ilagay sa ating display shelf, meron tayong Hot Wheels acrylic case from Bellovra. Ito siya mga kuis. Yan. So super linis tingnan because of the crystal clear acrylic material, and bagay na bagay siya for carded displays tulad nitong Fast and Furious Skyline na to. So ang gusto ko dito is protected yung card from dust and bends while still keeping that premium display look mga kuis. So perfect siya for collectors na gusto i-preserve yung condition ng kanilang carded Hot Wheels while making the display more organized and aesthetic. So honestly, malaking upgrade talaga sa collection setup kapag naka-acrylic case yung mga favorite pieces mo, no? So ano pang hinihintay natin mga kuis? Ilagay na natin to sa acrylic case. So ayun mga kuys, no, that is our Hot Wheels Spotlight featuring the legendary Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 34 from Fast and Furious. And of course, shoutout din kay Bellobra for this acrylic case and making this display look extra premium. So if nagustuhan nyo itong episode na to mga kuys, don't forget to like, follow my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell for more diecast contents. So this is Nano Drive Garage, and I'll see you on the next ride. Peace.